Hi, are you new here?
Yes, it's my first day.
Welcome. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you. I'm Alex.
Welcome. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you. I'm Alex.
Are you nervous?
A little, okay, very nervous.
Are you nervous?
A little, okay, very nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone feels that way.
Really? Even you?
Yes, even me. Everyone feels that way.
Wow.
Especially me. I almost ran away on my first day.
That makes me feel better. That makes me feel better. That makes me feel better.
What position did you get?
Marketing assistant. Marketing assistant.
Oh, you'll work near me.
That's good, I think.
Relax. I don't bite.
Good to know.
Relax. I don't bite.
Good to know.
Relax. I don't bite.
Good to know.
Did you prepare anything for today?
Yes, I practiced introducing myself.
Let's hear it.
Now?
Let's hear it.
Now? Hello, everyone. I'm Alex. I'm excited to join the team.
Wow, confident.
I practiced 20 times last night.
That explains it. Here's your schedule.
Thank you.
Here's your schedule.
Thank you. What is orientation?
It means introduction training. Introduction training.
Oh, learning about the company?
Exactly. Sit down. Let's talk.
Thanks.
So, how have you been?
I've been good, thanks.
Good to hear.
Thanks.
Where did you work before?
At a small startup.
Where did you work before?
At a small startup.
Was it stressful?
Very. But I learned a lot.
That's good experience.
I hope so.
That's good experience.
I hope so.
Do you drink coffee?
Too much. Too much.
You'll need it here.
That sounds scary.
Just kidding. We're busy but friendly.
That's perfect.
Just kidding. We're busy but friendly.
That's perfect.
Do you know how to use this software?
Not really. Not really. Not really.
Don't worry. I'll teach you.
Thank you so much. And repeat slowly. Can I ask something?
Of course.
Can I ask something?
Of course.
What if I make mistakes?
You will.
What if I make mistakes?
You will.
That's honest.
And normal. Mistakes help you grow.
I like that.
The boss arrives at 9:30.
Should I be formal?
Smile and speak clearly.
Got it.
Not too serious.
Like this?
Yes, much better. Perfect. Do you take notes?
Always.
Good habit.
My teacher taught me that.
You're prepared.
I try my best. Oh no, message from my mom.
What did she say?
She wants to know where I am.
Uh-oh.
Good luck. Don't be late.
Moms are the same everywhere.
Do you like working here?
Yes, the people are kind.
That's important.
More important than salary sometimes. We even eat lunch together.
Really?
Yes, you're joining today.
Now I'm excited.
Your first task is simple.
Okay.
Just organize these files.
That's it?
Everyone starts small.
I understand.
I want to improve fast.
Then ask questions.
Even if they're simple?
Especially if they're simple. 5 minutes before the boss arrives.
My heart is beating fast.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
Thank you.
See? You'll survive. Ready?
Ready. I'm glad I met you.
I'm glad too. Exactly.
I feel more confident now.
Welcome to the team, Alex.
Thank you, Emma. Is that the boss?
Yes. Just be yourself.
Okay. Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Good job.
I survived!
I told you. This is just the beginning.
And I'm ready for it. Thank you for watching.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Please subscribe to our channel. Learn English today.